Good evening, folks. Mark here in the Fan Cave. This is a NuTone Verandah Deluxe. Now, I've inadvertently swapped the light kit with the Casablanca Victorian that I filmed last night. That had the NuTone 5-piece light kit with a little globe on the bottom. That was supposed to go with this, and this was supposed to go with that. I realized that when I opened the box, what I thought were NuTone, and I found the upper canopy, and the IntelliTouch control. NuTones don't have those. And anyway, you got light kits mixed up, but you get the idea. Now this has the very rare cane blades, which I do like. I acquired this quite a while ago now. I'm gonna start it off on high. And like all NuTones, it has the all verandas this era. It has the 2-speed rotary control. 2-speed control. It's fast and variable, and variable can, it has the knob on here for that. And if it's anything like the veranda that I have installed, it's basically almost stop on the lowest of the variable setting. And for whom it may concern, it's 8:15 p.m. on Saturday, July 1st, 2023. Well, actually, this is it isn't stopping. It's just going nice and slowly. So we'll leave it on that, and then do the spin down, and it does have a functioning light kit. And there's so much humidity, I'm going to shut this off. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck. I'm actually going to bring the phone in to show you guys some of the details. Thanks a lot for watching.